Little West Coast TV. Hi, I'm Black Panther. I am Catboy.
Hi guys. Okay, are you ready to find the candy? Woo! Okay. Are you sure you're ready, Connor?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I'm doing the same way as the dog. It's just much jump to that.
Okay, so then you are prepared for the treasure hunt, okay? So you have to listen to these clues and they're gonna help you find it, but you have to listen, okay? And you have to think. You need to use your brain, okay? To find the treasure, okay? Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready? Okay, I'm about to read the first clue. It says, welcome to the treasure hunt. Let's see if you can follow the clues. The first place to look is dark and where we keep our shoes. Where do you think that means we need to look? Where we keep our shoes? Okay, so should we go near the front door? Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Lead the way. Lead the way. Lead the way. Go, go, go. Let's go to the shoes. It is creepy. Okay, so where do we keep all the shoes? But it says it's dark. It says it's dark. So where do we keep them? Should we keep looking in? It's not on there. Maybe on the other side? We have to look for something like this, okay? We're looking for these, okay? So if you find something like this, let me try and open this side.
I found something like it.
Where? Okay, can you pass it to me? Okay, thank you. Clue number 2. Okay, come. Saiyah found the second clue, Connor. Did you say good job, Saiyah?
Good job, Saiyah.
Good work. Good job. Actually, good job, Black Panther. That's who we have to say. Okay, listen. The second clue should take you outside where flowers bloom in the sunshine. So where do you think Lola keeps her flowers outside? Like, where do you think most of her flowers are? Do you guys know where her flowers are?
Yeah.
Where are her flowers?
That's where flowers are. I probably either they put those in the other outside here or here or behind us or outside here.
Okay, has anyone helped Lola water her plants before?
No.
You have watered her plants before. Do you remember where?
No.
Oh, maybe we should try outside. Which outside should we try first?
That one, that one.
Okay, let's go. That way. Go outside. Go, go. Right there. We need to find another clue. We need to find another clue like this, Sam. Use your vision around outside. Use it. Okay. Oh, where did you see it? Does someone see it? It looks like it's a piece of paper. It's a big piece of paper. Look around. Move back. You're too far. Okay. Good job. Now that's a hard clue. I don't know if we're gonna know where this is. It says this flat box shows colors and sound. It's in the living room. Oh, in the living room is where it is found. What do you think it is?
I think
It's a what?
it's another clue.
It's another clue. Okay, it says it's a flat box that has colors and sound, and it's in the living room. So what is that? What do you think it is, though? Oh, okay. We'll just look for it then. You guys can probably find it. Let's go. Where's the living room? Where's the living room? Connor, wait, where's the living room? Keep looking, keep looking, keep looking. You need to look for another card so you know what it looks like. Here. Okay, let's see more. Okay, come closer. Open me up and take a peek. Inside you can find a frozen treat. Where do you find frozen treats? In the freezer, yeah, good job. Okay, go. Run, run. Run. You said freezerator, which is a good one. Okay, in the fridge, where does it freeze? In the fridge or in the freezer?
In the freezer.
Okay,
Up there.
then our freezer is down here, so we have to look for another clue card, okay? Do you see one? Whoa, was it cold in there? Whoa. Oh my god, that was okay. I think we're almost there. For this next clue, you might say P-U, for this is where you take a poo. Where do we need to go?
The bathroom.
The bathroom! Okay, go! Which bathroom?
I don't know.
Which bathroom, Connor?
Let's go to Arkham.
Okay. Connor, which one do you think? Which bathroom should we go to?
The one that's down there.
My bathroom. Good idea. Good job. Let's go.
I think it's there or not. Is it? I'm stepping in on spiders.
Oh my god, don't kill the spiders. Alright. I think I'm not gonna turn on the lights until I have laser vision. Where is it? Look for the clue, people.
No, not here.
No, it says it's in the bathroom, so you can look on the walls. Oh my god, okay, pass it.
Why? I want to get up there.
You're almost done. Let's be fast like a mouse. The next clue is behind the door that takes you out of the house. What door takes you out of the house? The front door. Go to the front door. We need to leave.
No, the cars, the wrap, right?
What should we do? Okay. Say yes, let's open.
Oh my god, that's annoying.
Okay, do you see the clues, guys, on the door anywhere?
Oh, guys.
Anywhere on the door.
I see it.
Okay, I think this is the last one. It says, final step to find the treasure is to ask the queen of the day. Her name is Lola. Ask her for treasure and see what she'll say.
Let's check that.
It's in Ali's room. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, where is Ali's room?
My old
Room of Ali. Let's go. Wow! Good
That one's a pooping one. I like pooping ducks. Finger. Ready, Zara. Oh my god, I ate a finger. Oh my god, my finger. Oh my god, look, my finger. Ow! Can you open it for me? Can you open it for me? Why are you eating an eyeball? It's Duffy. And the brains on it. Okay. I have eyeball now. I think it's right here. It's your eyeball. Aiden. Connor. I ate this. Aiden, look at my nail now. Look. I'm gonna eat my nail. Look at my nail. like and subscribe.